G'day guys, Neil here, how you going? Couple of things I'm going to try today. I'm going to get the AEG Inflator out and see if it's got enough power to inflate a full-sized forward drive tyre. So I'll try it on the Challenger, and I'll also try it on the camper trailer, and I'll compare it to the performance of your standard forward drive compressor that we all carry. And also I'll run over the rapid deflator, how that's used, just for anyone who's new to forward driving. So let's get to the video. I'm deflating the camper trailer tyre to 15 psi. So that's down to 15. Its size is 235/75R15. Then I'll re-inflate it with the Ryder compressor and time it on the iPhone stopwatch. You can see from the specs that the Ryder compressor has a greater capacity at 640 litres per minute to the AEG's 525 litres per minute. Yeah, so that was 2 minutes and it's got to 33 actually, I think. Okay, that's complete, and it's taken just over 2 minutes to get the tyre from 15 psi to 33 psi. Okay, power on. 16 it's saying. The target will be 33. Now I'm going to try the AEG. It sees the tyre at 16 psi on its gauge. So the AEG has managed the same task in 3 minutes 21 seconds, which I'm quite impressed with. 3:21.89. That's actually saying 35. So anyway, it's not going to be that scientific, but it'll give a good idea, I guess. Now we'll try the Ryder on the Challenger's tyre. The Challenger's tyres are 275/65R17. That ran to 35 already. 35 at 130. That's very interesting. And it's managed to pump this much larger tyre up very quickly. 35 psi in a minute 30, which is surprising. I'll make this target 35 actually. 16 actual. Same as before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start. Now for the AEG. So it's on 4 minutes, 8 seconds, 31 psi. 34 psi and it's on 5 minutes. Probably 5:10 or something like that. It did take a while, but it completed the task and re-inflated the tyre to 35 psi in 5 minutes and 10 seconds. So to summarise, the AEG is a useful addition for camping and forward driving. I'll probably use it for the trailer tyres, plus it's got the onboard tools for bike tyres, air mattresses, footballs and many other uses. So it's a thumbs up from me. Now coming up, I'll quickly cover the rapid deflator, so please keep watching if you need to. If not, thanks for watching. So this is the tool, the rapid tyre deflator. So that threaded end will be screwing onto the valve. We'll have this bit, which is the shaft that actually removes the valve core. We'll have that out. So we're going to screw on with this bit, and we're just going to screw this onto the valve. Yeah, so this slide valve, when it's back, you'll be deflating. When it's in, it gives you a reading on the pressure gauge. So we've screwed this on, we've got the slide valve in, and now we're going to push the core remover in. Jiggle it a bit till it's on the valve stem core, and then start to unscrew it. So it should be safely stored in here now. Push the slide valve in and you'll get a reading on the pressure gauge. So we're nearly down to 30. So we're 30 psi, 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 30 p Yeah, 25 now. You can see it is it's a very rapid deflation. Yeah, nearly down to 20. So we'll leave it there because I've got to pump it back up now. But you can see it's already starting to bag out a bit, which is obviously what you want when you're in sand. Now, we've got to put it back in. So you push that shaft back in, jiggle it a bit, and then start to screw that valve stem core back in. Yeah, do it gently because you can strip them easily. Now we'll just check that that's in. Yep, see? The slide valve's out and there's no air coming out, so that's fine. And that's the only tip, is really have this out of the way, have that shaft out when you unscrew this. That way, if there's any issues, the threaded end is not connected to the core, so it's not going to come out. See? And then just put your cap back on. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.